Okay, so let's talk about what an object is. It goes after the verb in a clause, so after the verb in a sentence. So verb being an action, doing word, and it goes after, because the object is the one that receives the action. It's the one action happens to. I am writing on the board. The board, writing, action, verb, board, object. So an object can be a person, a place, a thing, or idea. So, and it can either be a noun or a pronoun. Pronoun. One of the two. So, for example, sentence object, she found it. She found it. It being a pronoun. A pronoun, the way we address things. It, he, them, she, we, us, that. And a noun is an object, is a thing we can touch, use, or work with. They played the guitar. I wrote on the board. Board. It received the action. It is the object. Guitar is played. It is the object. Found, it. Whatever it is has been found. Found being an action. Played being an action. Write being an action. A verb. Very nice. So object is after the verb. The object is after the verb in the clause, in the sentence really. It gets the action. Person, place, thing or idea. Very nice. However, nouns and pronouns can be the subject or object of a sentence. So for example, let's take these two sentences. The cat scratched her. Her being the object. The cat is the subject. It does the action. Who the sentence is about. Scratched being the verb. What happened. And the object, her, receiving the action. She, in this case, is subject. She fed the cat. Object. So she fed the cat its food. She fed the cat its food. So notice how in this sentence the subject is the cat, but then in this sentence the subject is the object is the cat. Pronouns, her and she, and nouns, the cat, can be subject or object depending on the sentence. So it's quite creative that way. Be conscious of that. So object after the verb receives the action. Person, place, thing or idea. She found it. They played the guitar. The cat scratched her. She fed the cat. Very nice. Let's keep going.